So you guys, I'm getting ready to record.
Get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money.
That get money music, baby.
Get money,
Yeah.
get money, get money.
All
Hustle, 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 hustle. All hustle, 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 hustle.
So you guys, I'm getting ready to record my tutorial on my fabulous flat iron. Here it is right here, Crystal Gem. Getting ready to shoot a how-to video, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure it's up by now, so just look in the comments below and you can check it out. I love my new set in the back, you guys. So that's what we're doing. I'll come back as I start. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free. And also hit that bell to turn on the notifications. All right, stay tuned. How was it? Hey everybody, so I just got done wrapping up the Silky Sax flat iron video. It was a lot of fun. Took a lot of time to get this done today, but we got it done. Thank you so much for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So you guys, yesterday we recorded the flat iron video, and so now I'm over here in iMovie and just editing. Let me stop it so you can hear me. Just editing the video and getting it ready so that I can add it to Silky Sax YouTube channel and also to our blog. I'm going to put the video in the link down below. Hold on. So you guys, I was trying to avoid being on camera because I flat ironed my hair, as you could see yesterday in the video, and I just didn't want to be on camera with my bonnet on. But hey, that's how I keep my hair nice and straight after I flat iron, by wrapping it around and putting it in the bonnet. So anyways, enough of that. So I'm just going to talk to you about my bonnet. Ignore that and just listen to what I have to say because it's more important. So yeah, I didn't want to just keep showing the video because that's boring. So anyway, as you can see, I'm editing the footage from the shoot yesterday, and I got the idea to do the video because I feel like it's really, really important when you sell products, especially makeup, beauty products, that people actually see the products in action. You can say how great the products are, but when people actually see the products working, then that is the biggest selling point, right? The proof is in the pudding. So that's why I wanted to film a video, and it's also on our website and on our YouTube channel, so that you can actually go in, if you were to find Silky Sax somehow and come across it and you want to see, or you see the Crystal Gem flat iron, you're not sure how to work it, or you just want to see how it works, boom, there's a video to show it. Dry Bar had some really good videos displaying their products. The Way, there's a whole bunch of other companies, most companies do, or hire influencers to do it for them. So I shot my own video, and also, other thing I'm going to do is just try to step up my whole branding for the year. So just showing more like videos, showing the products and how you use them. And then as far as the packaging goes, I'm going to be working on that. I'm actually working with a graphic designer currently to redesign the boxes that they come in, because my manufacturer sends them in these boxes. And the boxes are cool, but they're not excellent. And I want to be excellent and really send you guys great product and in great packaging, right? The whole experience. So working on that, and also working on like inserts to go in as far as like the warranty, the directions on how you would use the flat iron, and then including, the information about the video so that if you were to purchase it, you can see. And you guys, I'm not just saying this, I mean it. That Crystal Gem titanium flat iron, it is beautiful, but it works. It gets your hair so straight. If you want straight hair, you need to order the Crystal Gem titanium flat iron. So anyways, like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to put the link to the video down below. Please go check it out and see for yourself how great the titanium gem flat iron is. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that me sharing this kind of stuff with you on my journey will help you with your journey. And like I said before, if you're selling products, you should really make videos and tutorials showing people how to use your products, because that's the day and age we live in, right? Everybody's Googling and YouTubing, and they want to see, and they don't want to just see, oh, it's pretty. They want to see it in action. So make sure you take the time to do that. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I know I've said it a million times in this video, but I mean it. Hit it. It's free. I come every weekend sharing Life of an Entrepreneur with you. Also, go ahead and turn on that bell wherever it is so that you can get notified whenever we're dropping another episode of Life of an Entrepreneur every Tuesday. Remember to keep God first and create opportunities. See you next Tuesday.